I need a friend that I can go out and play with, a friend that I can spend a warm sunny day with, yeah. A friend who knows I'm down and I don't have to say it, and when we're hanging out we never have to fake it, yeah.
The kind of friendship that'll never end. I think it's time that I go out and meet my new best friend. I need a friend that I can tell any secret, the kind of friend that I can trust and they will keep it, yeah. We'll keep it real till the bitter end. Well, I can't wait to introduce you to my new best friend. I wanna feel like I've known you all my life. And through the thick and thin, we'll be side by side. That'll be the greatest day, but until then, I'm gonna keep right on searching for my new best friend. My new best friend. My new best friend.